Hi guys, this is Cleopatra. Today I will be showing you how to make resin pop sockets. So first I got my 3M heart-shaped pop socket, and I use this brand of UV resin by Lamino. You can find it on Amazon. It's a little expensive for 200 milliliters, but it does the trick and it's hard. So this is my UV light lamp. It's for nails, but totally works. So I get a paper cup just from the dollar store and cut it short, and this is just so that I won't have to be digging into the cup. It's a lot more comfortable. So once you get it down to this side, I am going to start mixing my colors. I'm using this cool color pink. I love mica powders because they make it look like smoke, kind of, how smoke goes into water, and it looks really cool. So I'm going to be doing this in layers. UV resin works best when you work in layers. First, I'm going to clean the pop socket with some alcohol in one of those spray bottles that I got from the dollar store. And yeah, so the first layer goes on. I'm trying my best to make it as even as possible and cover all the dark spots so that my resin isn't bumpy. As soon as that first layer's on, I'm going to cure it for about 2 to 4 minutes just to make sure it's really hard. Here I'm just starting the second color mixture. I get these mica powders from Wish or Amazon for super cheap, but they actually really work from Wish, so I definitely recommend. Gets sticky if you do thick layers, so I'm going one by one and just placing a really thin layer. I do about 4 to 5 layers depending on the opacity of the color I want, especially because if it's on a black pop socket, the color kind of turns darker. I'm then almost done. See how opaque they are? I'm gonna add one last final layer, mostly clear, just so it can seal everything in and prevent bubbles. After they are fully cured, you should have a very opaque color. These are the final results, and I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. There will be more resin tutorials for newcomers or any beginners. I'll link the resin and the UV lamp in my description. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Etsy, Art by Cleopatra.